Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this mesh office chair that I think it could be a really good one if you need something that is like a tall chair for sure. This one supports up to 300 pounds. But things that I like about the chair. First of all, the assembly process on this one was like, I think it took no more than 10 minutes. So that's actually pretty cool. But the thing on this chair, besides the lumbar support that I'm going to show you in a few seconds, is that right here, the cushion is actually really firm. It's not one of those like super thick cushions that are like extra cushioned. This is actually more firm than anything. It's kind of like a cushion right here on the edges, but like on the center piece, when you sit, it's like a super high density, concentrated high density foam that is super firm. So if you like firm seats, this could be a really good one for you. Then you can actually do this with the armrest, and you can put the chair in a storage position just like that. So that's actually pretty cool. And these are padded as well right here, so they're comfortable to put your elbows in it. But the thing that I want to talk to you about is the lumbar support. This dedicated piece that you can actually modify the height. This dedicated piece here actually it's kind of like it pushed you a little bit kind of like up front, and I kind of like that. I think it's a really good feature. It pushed you to have like a really nice L-shaped 90 degrees posture seating, which I think it's a good thing. Like every other chair, for sure, you can do this. That's it. And then you can lock just like that and unlock. I think it's locked now. Yeah, it's locked now. The recliner, which is actually kind of like a rocker. Let me show you now. It's unlocked. So you can see that you can adapt like a really nice kind of like a chill position. It's not for napping because this is a rocking. It's just not a recliner. It kind of like comes back, as you can see. So this is more for kind of like chilling for a little bit or something like that, or just trying to rest a little bit and something like that. And I really like also the fact that you can modify the height on the headrest just like that, which you can tilt it as well, just like this, and then you can modify the height. So that's pretty much it. It's kind of hard, but you can tilt it, which I think it's another good feature because this is kind of like a tall chair. I'm 5'10", and you can see that I can feed myself and feed my head comfortably right here with the headrest. And then you can lock it back again, and that's it. I like this chair. It's as I was saying before, it's firm, super firm right here. It's made of like an elastic mesh right here, and the lumbar support kind of like helps you to push you a little bit more than that. The assembly process, again, 10 minutes. It's padded on the armrest, and you can put them in a storage position. This could be a really good chair if you like firm and tall chairs. Otherwise, I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.